Sanibonani, bafundi ba grade 5. Lamhlanje silesifundo sesiNdebele. Today we are having a lesson in isiNdebele. We are going to have a question paper that we are going to revise together. Sizokhuluma ngolimi, ulimi, okay? All right. I'm going to read here inkondlo. Ngizabala inkondlo, okay? Please listen, lilalele angithi. Kuthiwa wemfundo umuhle okungabuzwayo. This one is talking about what is imfundo. Who can tell me what is imfundo? It's talking about education, okay? So when you say wemfundo umuhle okungabuzwayo, meaning that education is very good for us. Ngafika esikolo ngimpumputhe. Lamuhla sengibona, meaning that when I started school, I could not see, but now I can see, okay? But they're not talking about the eyes, they're talking about the brains, right? To say that now that person can see, meaning that you can understand education, you can hear education, now you are more educated. Ibizo lami ngani ngalazi ukulibhala. What is ibizo? What is ibizo? Ibizo lami ngangalazi kulibhala. Yes, Sean?
Ibizo is name.
Ibizo is your name. Yes. Remember when you were in grade 1, when you came to school or ECD, you did not know how to write your name. Jude Sabona, kunjani Jude? Jude, uyangizwa? Jude, uyangizwa? I don't know whether Jude can hear me. Jude? Okay, he's connecting to audio. Ibizo lami ngani ngalazi ukulibhala, kodwa wangifundisa. Yebo Jude, uyangizwa?
Hello, teacher.
Uyangizwa phela? Namhla senza isiNdebele. Angithi senza isiNdebele. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ufike vele sisaqalisa sibala. Ngifuna ukubala inkondlo. Angithi ubuliza phendula imibuzo. Inkondlo le imayelana lemfundo. Imfundo sithe is education. Ithi wemfundo umuhle okungabuzwayo. Ngafika esikolo ngimpumputhe. Lamuhla sengibona. Meaning that impumputhe is a person who cannot see, right? So when they're talking about the fact that ngani impumputhe, it doesn't necessarily mean that that person was blind, but that you could not, you were not able, you did not know anything, right? That's what they are talking about. Ibizo lami ngani ngalazi ukulibhala, meaning that I did not know how to write my name. Kodwa wangifundisa. Sengilazi, ngilizwa, ngilibala, ngilibhala. Meaning that now I know if someone calls me, I know it's my name. I know how to write it. I know how to write it, to read it. Sengisazila wabanye. I even know other people's names. Konke lokhu nguwemfundo. Okay. Sesiphendula imibuzo. Unumber 1 uthi inkondlo le ixoxa nge-dash. Ngesilwane, ngokudla, ngemfundo, ngeziwiji. Ixoxa ngani inkondlo le? Yebo Jude, ixoxa ngani?
Ngemfundo.
Ixoxa ngemfundo. Yeah. Inkondlo le ixoxa ngemfundo. Nxa siyilalele is talking about education. Wemfundo everywhere. Okay. Ixoxa ngemfundo. Michaela, are we together?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Imfundo kuthiwa i-dash, imbi, inhle, iyalambisa, ayifunakali. Imfundo kuthiwa i-dash, imbi, inhle, iyalambisa, ayifunakali. Injani imfundo? Yebo Sean?
Inhle.
Inhle, meaning that education is beautiful, it's good, it's wonderful. That's why we are trying so hard to come and learn even on Zoom, even when there is this coronavirus. We are still learning because education is good. Number 3, oxoxayo uthi wayengakwazi ukubhala i-dash. Ukudla, ibizo lakhe, inkondlo. wayengakwazi ukubhala ini, wayengakwazi ukubhala i-dash, wayengakwazi ukubhala yebo Jude?
Ibizo lakhe.
Ibizo lakhe, yes. Ngiyabona uMichaela kade sephakamise isandla. For the next question, okay Michaela? Wena ubona angathi imfundo injani? Imbi, ayilandaba, iqhakathekile. Wena ubona angathi imfundo injani? Wena ngokwakho ubona ngathi imfundo injani? Imbi, ayilandaba, iqhakathekile. Ubona ngathi imfundo injani? Michaela, do you want to try? Do you want to try? Okay, manasini kuJude. Yebo Jude, injani imfundo?
Ibalekile.
Ngithe imbi, ayilandaba, iqhakathekile.
Iqhakathekile.
Yeah, iqhakathekile, meaning that education is
Iqhakathekile.
Yeah, yikho Jude, kuqondile. When you say iqhakathekile, we are saying that it is very, very important in our lives. Iqhakathekile. Okay. Imfundo inhle kakhulu. Lo ngumbuzo. Imfundo inhle kakhulu. A, yebo, hachi, engxenye, kumbe. Imfundo inhle kakhulu. Phendula yebo, hachi, engxenye, kumbe. Yebo Sean?
Imnandi.
Anizwa Sean? Imfundo inhle kakhulu.
Yebo.
Question mark there. Phendula ke yebo.
Yebo.
Sean?
Yebo.
Yebo. Sesiphikisa, uthiwa phikisa lapha. Ngubani ongatshetha ukuphikisa ikwenzani in English? When you say phikisa, in English, what will you be doing? Who can tell me? Kuyini okuthiwa ukuphikisa? Yebo Jude.
Opposite.
Opposite. Angithi sesisenza ukuphikisa.
Opposite.
Yes, siyabonga Jude. Phikisa meaning opposites. Ukuphikisa opposites. Kumanzi, phikisa siboni. Kubuhlungu, komile, kumhlophe, kuhle. Kumanzi. Kubuhlungu, komile, kumhlophe, kuhle. Yebo Michaela, Michaela's hand is up.
Komile.
Komile. Good, Michaela. Good. I told you Michaela is now improving. Good, Michaela. Komile. When you say kumanzi, it's wet, right? So the opposite of wet is dry. Something that is dry, komile. Thank you, Michaela, for that. Siyaphikisa njalo. Kunzima. Lokhu kunzima. Phikisa. Kulula, kuhle, kude. Phikisa. Kunzima. Kulula, kuhle, kude. Yebo Michaela? Kulula, yeah. Michaela is coming up now. Kulula. Ulambile, phikisa. Ulambile, phikisa. Ulobuthongo, usuthi, udiniwe, ulivila. Yebo Jude?
Usuthi.
Usuthi. Now when we are saying ulambile, sithi umuntu olendlala, ngithi you are hungry. Nxa ulambile, you are hungry. So if you are not hungry, meaning that unjani usuthi. Uhlakaniphile, phikisa. Uhlakaniphile. Uyisithutha, uyisikhono, ulivila, uluhlanya. Uhlakaniphile, phikisa. Yebo Sean?
Ukuhlanya.
Unjani?
Ukuhlanya.
Ngikuzwa. Uluhlanya hayi ayisikho Sean. Umuntu ohlakaniphileyo phikisa. Asimncediseni uSean. Bani ongamncedisa? Uhlakaniphile, uyisithutha, uyisikhono.
What was your first?
Oh, uyisithutha, uyisikhono, ulivila, uluhlanya. Yebo, Jude?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Yebo,
teacher.
Jude? Yebo?
Yes, teacher. Uyisithutha. Uyisithutha.
Yeah, uyisithutha. When you are saying uhlakaniphile, we are talking about someone who is, you know, these people who are clever, a person who is clever. Usually when we say uhlakaniphe njengentethe, someone who is clever. So the opposite of that, uyisithutha. Okay? Yes. Khetha indlubu ewele ephokweni. Khetha indlubu ewele ephokweni. You can tell us what does that mean in English? Indlubu ewele ephokweni. Even you can give us an example of what we are going to do. Nasithi khetha indlubu ewele ephokweni. Yebo, Jude?
We'll be saying like there'll be 3 things that you find in a kitchen, then 1 thing that you find in a bathroom.
Yes, good, Sean. Good, Jude. 3 things.
So you have to pick.
So it's the odd one out. Okay, the odd one out. Thank you for that. Jude is explaining so that you need to know. Okay, you need to know what are you supposed to do. So if you know that nile problem lesindebele, kumele ukwazi in English and then you know it in Ndebele, because Ndebele and English, they are both languages. And what we do in English, we do it in Ndebele. Okay. Yes. So in English, we do opposites. In Ndebele, we do as well. Okay. We do them as well as in Ndebele. And indlubu ewele ephokweni is the odd one out. Like what Jude was saying, that you have 3 things that are in the kitchen, and then you have 1 thing that is from the bathroom. For example, you have a pan, maybe you have a plate, and you have a cup, and then you have soap, right? And then you are asked to ukuthi ukhethe indlubu ewele ephokweni. Angithi isepa sisiba indlubu ewele ephokweni ngoba yona itholakala ngaphi? Itholakala endlini encane. Angithi ye, kube endlini lapho esigezela khona. Angithi khetha ke indlubu ewele ephokweni. Ubaba, indlu, umntwana, umama. I have ubaba, indlu, umntwana, umama. Michaela? Yes, Michaela? Khetha indlu ewele ephokweni. Sorry, Michaela? Indlu, yeah. Indlu. Ngoba laphana ubaba is a person, umntwana a person, umama a person, indlu an object. Angithi indlu ewele ephokweni. Good, Michaela. Number 2, isivalo, iwindi, uphahla, umbalisi. Isivalo, iwindi, uphahla, umbalisi. Yebo, Sean?
Umbalisi.
Umbalisi. Yeah, umbalisi. Isivalo, that is a door, right? Iwindi, a window. Uphahla is the roof. And then umbalisi, that is a teacher. Okay, a person already. These are objects, and that is a person. Okay. Okulandelayo, imota, umgwaqo, ibhasi, isitimela. Imota, umgwaqo, ibhasi, isitimela.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Michaela's head is already up. Yes,
Yes,
Michaela?
teacher.
Umgwaqo. Yes. Michaela, you are now good. You can even say it as well. That is good. Umgwaqo. Imota. Remember when we learn about transport, right? So imota, that is a car. Ibhasi, that is a bus. Isitimela, a train. Umgwaqo is the road. All these are modes of transportation. And then the road is the means of transportation. Okay, so these are the umgwaqo is out there. It is the odd one out. Okay, I have imbiza, umganu, isichwala, uphini. Imbiza, umganu.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yebo, Jude. Yebo, Jude.
Isichwala.
Isichwala. Okay, imbiza, that is a pot. Umganu, a plate. Upini, what we use to when we are making the sadza, okay? And then we have isichwala, that is the sadza. So all these three are kitchen utensils, okay? And then isichwala, that is food. So isichwala is the odd one out. Yiyo indlubu ewele ephokweni. Ngile ndlebe, indlebe, amehlo, unyawo, isicathulo. Khetha indlubu ewele ephokweni. Yebo Sean? Ike waphakamisa uSean. Isicathulo ye. Isicathulo. Indlebe is a human body part. Another human body part. Unyawo, a human body part. Isicathulo, that is a shoe. It's not a human body part. And then okulandelayo iyembe, ingowane, isigqoko, ingubo. Iyembe, ingowane, isigqoko, ingubo. Iyembe, ingowane.
Yes.
Ingubo. Yebo
Ingubo.
Ingubo ye. Lokhu siyakugqoka konke angithi izivunulo. Iyembe is a shirt, ingwane a hat, isigqoko a dress, and then ingubo is a blanket, okay? Sesisiya kuzenza ukuthi, khetha izenza ukuthi lapha. Anyone who can give me an example of isenza ukuthi, izenza ukuthi? Anyone who knows izenza ukuthi? When you say umhlophe, kumhlophe njani? Kumhlophe njani? Yebo Jude, kumhlophe?
Teacher. Nke.
Kumhlophe nke. When we say nke, kumhlophe nke, kumnyama tshu, kubomvu, kuluhlaza tshoko, izenza ukuthi. Angithi unabe wathi twitch. Angithi umbele wathi nombe, izenza ukuthi lezi. Uchago lolu lumhlophe dash. Nke chu nya phoqo. Uchago lolu lumhlophe nke chu nya phoqo. Yebo Michaela, umhlophe? Lumhlophe nke. Ibhulugwe likababa limnyama dash. Nke chu nya. Yebo Jude?
Mnyama chu.
Lumnyama chu. Ihlamvu liluhlaza dash. Tshoko nke gebhubusu. Yebo Michaela? Luluhlaza tshoko nke. Luluhlaza tshoko. Good Michaela. Igazi libomvu dash. I hope this one is for Sean. Igazi libomvu dash. Nke chu gebhubuthe. Akuzame Sean. Yebo Sean? Libomvu gebhu. Libomvu
Gebhu.
gebhu. Yeah. Kubomvu gebhu. Sesisiya kuzaga. We still have 6 minutes. Gcwalisa ngezaga lezi. Isala kutshela sibona ngodesh. Isala kutshela sibona ngomuntu, ngomopho, ngolwazi. Isala kutshela sibona ngodesh. Sibona ngobani.
Mopho.
Ngomopho, yeah. Sean, you are getting good. Even the way you are articulating the words is proper Ndebele. Good Sean, good Sean. Izandla dash. Ziyagezana, ziyabona, ziyahamba. Izandla dash.
Yes.
Oh, good. Izandla.
Teacher. Ziyagezana.
Ziyagezana, izandla ziyagezana. Ngithi yes, umuntu unceda lo okuncedayo. Izandla ziyagezana. Hamba dash, baza kuthutha phambili. Hamba. Yebo Michaela, hamba.
Hamba
Juba baza kuthutha phambili. Good Michaela, even the way you are articulating the Ndebele is proper. Good. Sithini lapha. Yebo Jude. Sithi.
Where are the others today?
Sorry?
Where are the others today?
For others, they are going to learn Shona. You remember there is Shona, so they are having a Shona lesson later. That's why they are not there today. Yes. Takunda and Takuta, they are having a Shona lesson. Yes. We are going to meet them tomorrow. Don't worry. Nxa sisithi uzanele ulesandla sitsho ukuthi dash. Ngatsho mina esindebeleni ngathi ungabona umuntu sebesithi ulesandla, wonke umuntu ulesandla, we all have a hand, right? But when you say umuntu ulesandla sitsho ukuthi uthanda ukukhuluma, uthanda ukuhamba, uyatshontsha, ulisela, ulekhanda elikhulu. Yebo Jude.
Uyatshontsha.
Uyatshontsha, ulisela. Nxa ulesandla kutsho ukuthi uyatshontsha. Imvu yomuntu ngumuntu odesh. Nxa sikhuluma ngemvu, ngathi imvu is a sheep. Imvu yomuntu ngumuntu odesh, olalelayo, ohlakaniphileyo, othuleyo, othanda ukulala. Imvu yomuntu ngumuntu onjani. Imvu is a sheep. I remember the last time we did it, I gave you an example that when you are killing a sheep does not make any noise. It does not struggle. Okay. Imvu ngumuntu onjani. Olalela, ohlakaniphileyo, othuleyo. Yebo Sean, let me try Sean. Yebo Sean. Othuleyo, yeah. Imvu yomuntu ngumuntu othuleyo. In our class, do we have imvu yomuntu in grade 5? Anyone?
Yes.
Who is it?
Yes.
Who is it?
Yes. Michaela.
Michaela yimvu.
Michaela.
Yes. Michaela yimvu yomuntu. Yes, we have Michaela. So Michaela uyimvu yomuntu. Uthule. Isilwane somuntu ngumuntu odesh, isilwane. Othanda ukuhleka, oyesabekayo, othanda ukudla, othanda ukuhamba. Isilwane is a lion. So when people say you are a lion, what kind of a person are you?
Teacher.
Somuntu ngumuntu yebo Jude?
Oyesabekayo.
Oyesabekayo is a person that you are scared of. Isilwane somuntu ngumuntu oyesabekayo. Umuntu oyesabekayo. My totem is a silwane as well. Yes. They say isilwane somuntu ngumuntu oyesabekayo. Usihle ulonyawo. Utsho ukuthi uthanda ulonyawo. Oshona uthanda
ukuhamba.
Uthanda ukuhamba. Yes, uthanda ukuhamba. Ulonyawo kutsho ukuthi uthanda ukuhamba. Unomalanga ulomlomo. Utsho ukuthi uthanda ukwenza ulomlomo. Ukudlala, ukweqa, ukuqala abantu, uthanda ukwenza. Yebo Jude, uthanda
ukukhuluma.
Hayikhona ukukhuluma kodwa ukukhuluma lokwenzani lokhu? Uyabe khuluma njani lo muntu? Ukudlala, ukweqa, ukudla, ukuqala abanye. Uyabe khuluma njani lo muntu?
Uqala abanye.
Uqala abanye. Yeah, uyabe thanda ukuqala abanye. Engabona umunye ebuya namhla isicalo sakhe sesidabukile sehleka ha phela isicalo lesi sihlephukile. Angithi uthanda ukuqala abanye. Yeah. Sesisele isikhathi sethu sesiphelile. Ngiyabonga abafundi abahle. Angithi ngokuthi libe khona isifundo sesindebele salamhlanje zalinika ithuba. Ngibonga uJudy, ngibonge uMichaela lo Sean ukubana namhlanje you were participating very well. Okay, libe lelanga elihle, linike ithuba lokuthi sivalelisane. So bye Jude. Bye
teacher. Bye Sean. Bye Michaela.
Libe lelanga elihle. Bye.
Bye teacher.
Bye.
Bye.